Okay, so I'm going to show you how to run your DSTV installation widget if you are living in South Africa. So you press OK. You proceed with your favorite language. So I'm moving on with English. Come to the next page, the satellite option over here. You need to change your satellite to be IS20. If you are living in South Africa, you need to change your satellite to be IS20 and then you press OK to move on. So you come here on the next page, you move down to manual setup, then you press OK. Here the LMB type have to be universal, and it will depend on the installation type, but most of the time you need to leave it to be universal. It will be like this for the first time, so you have to leave it. You change it to universal. So after changing it to universal, you come down to scan, and then whenever your signal status show, first have to be blue, then you move ahead to scan. Because I'm not living in South Africa, that's why I have not been filled up. So if you are living in South Africa, you follow the steps and then you go ahead to scan. So I'm going to show you how to proceed with the scanning. Because I'm not living in South Africa, I need to change my satellite name to be able to scan. So go ahead and then you press OK. Whenever you see that the signal status has been shown, you press OK to scan. bless up.